Hi, and welcome to my channel. Well, now the 150 subscriber contest giveaway is over. The winner has been notified, and now it is time to move on to getting 200 subscribers. And what I have here today is my July premium BoxyCharm. I've gotten it late because I just signed up for it. And it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina times BoxyCharm premium box. And you're going to see some spoilers for the next giveaway in this box. Hi, if you are new to my channel, I am working towards getting to 200 subscribers, and I would love for you to be a part of my little family here. And if you are into makeup material, that's great. I also, as per my name, talk about phobic material as well. And if you're into either or both of those subjects, then I highly recommend that you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified every time that I upload a new video. And you're here at a great time because I am probably going to be starting another giveaway sometime soon, and you can be a part of it. So, if you are interested in seeing what is in my Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills BoxyCharm Premium box, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, welcome back, and let's just get right on into it. I gotta say, I'm not a big fan of Anastasia Beverly Hills, so I'm not going to be too heartbroken to give away this stuff. So these are spoilers for the 200 sub giveaway. And first of all, I'm not going to take this out, but it is a domed kabuki brush, an A30 Pro brush, and it says A30 Pro brush by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a medium-sized round brush with firm synthetic fibers, ideal for blending emollient-based products with medium to full coverage on the face and body. So, like foundation brush. And next of all, I have what's in here, a loose highlighter. And I will open this up and show you. It is a loose highlighter in the shade Vegas. I won't open it up all the way, but it is that color. And it says, Loose Highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a shimmering loose highlighter powder with highly reflective iridescent pearls that deliver an intense sparkly payoff. The easy-to-blend formula has a soft velvety texture and leaves you with a silky finish like a loose powder version of ABH's Glow Kits. This finely milled, lightweight formula allows for buildable coverage so you can create everything from subtle luminosity to dramatic high reflect looks. So that's what she looks like. It's got a safety seal on the inside. And next, this is where they kind of messed up. They gave me two of the same thing. I got two tinted brow gels instead of a brow gel and a liquid lipstick. So I'll either use one of these myself or save the other one for another giveaway. But it's kind of light for me. So it is in the shade Brunette, but it is still kind of light for me. I like darker, more black, brown shades. It says Tinted Brow Gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a lightweight gel that sets brows with a flexible hold and a tinted matte finish. The fully pigmented formula features light-reflecting pearls that create natural-looking dimension to your finished brow look. So we've got that. And then we have the Anastasia Loose Setting Powder in the color Translucent. And she's a big puppy. Perfect brighten and set makeup in place with Loose Setting Powder by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This lightweight, superfine powder formula goes on smoothly as it absorbs oil, minimizes shine, and leaves you with a flawless matte finish. This silky formula gives the complexion a seamless and soft focus effect, blurs the look of imperfections, and extends the wear of your makeup. Sounds nice. And we've got a big boy here. It is the ABH Norvina Collection Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1. Sorry about that. How would you like to see this in a giveaway? This is what she looks like right there. All those colors. It says carefully curated by Norvina herself. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1 is a professional grade artistry palette featuring 25 deluxe size high performance shades with maximum payoff. Expand your Norvina collection with this limited edition Pro palette and create your most artistic makeup looks yet. And some of the shades are pressed pigment, and it just says some of them are not intended for use around the immediate eye area. They're just kind of saying that to cover their butts. But there she is again. Very beautiful palette. And yeah, that's what I got in my July. This is July. I will have an August one coming for you this month. I didn't get to make any picks for it, but I will be showing that off to you too. There may be some more giveaway items in that, but so far some giveaway items are the Norvina palette, the Anastasia loose powder, the loose highlighter, the tinted brow gel, and the kabuki brush. This is not the official giveaway. I've got to wait until I get to 200 subscribers. So yeah, what y'all can do to help out is to watch my videos, share my videos, like my videos, comment on my videos, and do not unsubscribe. That is the most important thing. Do not unsubscribe. Just because you didn't win this last giveaway, do not give up hope. I will have many giveaways in the future, so you will have lots of chances to win, because I plan on doing this for a long while, because I intend to make it to 1,000 subscribers. I do. And so if you are new, please subscribe. And because one of the qualifications to be in my giveaways is to be a subscriber. And go ahead and do that now so we can make it to 200 subscribers so that we can have this giveaway. And yeah, if you are new here, I upload makeup materials usually just on Wednesday, Thursday, and bonus material on Sundays, and bonus material on Tuesdays. And if you would like to partake in agoraphobic material, I usually talk about that on Mondays and Fridays. And we usually have Chatty Saturdays where we talk about both. We talk about both agoraphobic material and makeup on those days. So lately I have been uploading 7 days a week, but this is my hobby and I love it so much. So again, y'all check your comments and see if you are the winner of this last giveaway, and comment back to me if you are the winner, or get hold of me through email or through my Instagram. And yeah, alright, you guys are great. I love you so much, and I hope you are having an amazing day today. And if you are not, I hope that it gets better for you so that you can enjoy the rest of your week into the weekend. And if you are having an especially rough time, I am sending out the good vibes to you to get better. And just remember that time does heal all wounds, and to just stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And for all of you, I bid you farewell, and I hope to see you tomorrow. And okay, goodbye.